Hey guys, Jared Wesley here of Live Traders. How you guys doing? I know it's been a couple weeks since I talked to you guys. I'd like to do these trade reviews, once or twice a week to keep you guys informed of not only the things that I'm trading, but also these great patterns that you can learn here at Live Traders. Today I want to talk to you about two trades: Baidu, B-I-D-U, and E-L. So as always, guys, when we talk about trading, technical trading, all right, we always have an entry price, a stop price, and a target price. But on top of that, we always use the higher time frame first, and we drill down to the lower time frame. We call it our top-down approach. So first, I'm going to take a look at the Baidu daily chart, and I'm looking at a stock that over the last couple weeks has pulled back into an area of support, this 235 area, and today it gets a gap up today and has room back to 270 bucks. Basically, it's triggering a daily buy setup. So if you'll notice, at the beginning of the day, Baidu didn't look that great, right? Choppy, red bar topping tail, then a green bar bottoming tail, then a green bar topping tail, red bar topping tail. So when you look at that, you're getting a little skeptical, but you say to yourself, you know what? If Baidu can find a way to get over this 248.50 area, we have a lot of room to go higher. Go back to the daily, you look and you go, wow, all the way up to 270. So what do we get? We got what we call a 3-bar play. So we got a wide range igniting bar on the 2-minute chart, right? So this green bar takes out this topping tail, and this topping tail, goes right up to the whole number. So we've now completely and effectively taken out all the resistance to the left with this wide range bar on some volume. Then what we want, guys, the next bar, we want to be a narrow ranged inside bar. Why? Because after a stock moves up like this, it gets just a little bit tired, right? Just a little bit. So you want a short resting period, just a little bit of a breather, okay? And then boom, blast off. So you have a wide range igniting bar followed by a narrow ranged resting bar, and the third bar is the continuation move, the blast off, right? So think about it, 3-bar play, bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, boom. And this thing went up, about $2. Okay, we had about $1 stop. It went $2, went 2 to 1. Now, don't get me wrong, you could have used something tighter than $1 stop. You go under this bar right there, okay, and you could have used a 50-cent stop, and that would have been 4 to 1. All right, this trade did well for me, not bad. I'm not complaining about that closed P&L. I actually took this a couple different times today. All right, but this, guys, the reason I wanted to talk about this particular trade is because I know there's a lot of you guys out there that are a little bit jittery, a little bit impatient with your trading. Guess what? So am I. I don't have a lot of patience for trading. I like to trade 30 to 45 minutes a day. So I go from 9 a.m. to 9:30, do my pre-market routine. Then from 9:30 when the market opens, I go to 10 a.m. and that's generally 90% of my trading. This fits that beautifully, right? Right here, you're looking at, what time was that? 9:40 to 9:42. So this thing triggers right around 9:43-ish, and you're done. I mean, you're out of this thing by 9:55. So it's a 10 to 15 minute trade, and it's done before 10 a.m. Guys, you don't need to spend all day doing this. You don't need to sit in front of your computer all day, every day. You can come in an hour a day and make more than people working 60 hours a week. Believe it, because it's absolutely possible. Now I want to talk a little bit about the EL, okay? Now, notice the gap. Go to the daily chart here to the left. Look at the gap on EL. This is a beautiful gap over a daily consolidation, but it's a bullish consolidation. Now, we like to see that. The only negative on the EL today, the only concern, was the gap was a little bit big, right? It would have been perfect if EL had gapped to $115 instead of $120. So we have to be a little bit more cautious with that, but I'm still extremely interested in this. Extremely interested. So what do we get? EL gaps up the first 2-minute bar of the day, sells off, right? Sells off to the tune of like $2 to $3, okay? The next bar comes right back up. Guys, here at Live Traders, we call this the turnaround bar. All of these terms, 3-bar play, turnaround bar, wide range igniting bar, void, these are all things we teach in professional trading strategies. Guys, it is the best course in the entire industry. Everybody's going to tell you that, but when you see this course, 500 pages, 16 hours of video, unlimited video retakes, okay, hard copy of the book, it is the greatest thing you'll ever see. Turnaround bar, wide range red bar gets completely engulfed. What is this showing us, guys? Why is this bar so potent? Why is it so important? Because it's showing commitment from the buyers. See, the stock gapped up and the sellers came in and go, you know, we're going to do some profit taking, right? 112 yesterday, I wake up and I'm at 120. I want to sell some stock, make some money, right? $8 pop. But that was for the foolish people. If you had held on, you could have got another $4. So the greedy, I shouldn't say the greedy people, but the jittery people sold this thing off in the morning. Then some of the institutions come in and buy it up just a little bit more. We buy it right above that area, right above that line, guys. All right, right above that area. We got in at 121. Okay, 121, which is right above here. The high of that bar was 120.75. Waited for the whole number. Gave it $1.50 stop. Blast off. Guys, it went $3, man. It went more than $3, almost like $4. Okay. Again, 2-minute chart. 9:35 in the morning. We are done. We're gone. We're out. It's like, you see my average out here, 123.26. I sold some at 124 and some before that. Okay? Well, guess what? We're talking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Wow. Hello. So we got 4 trades today. If you can tell me, I'm not going to go over every one of them. Garmin, guess what? Why am I talking about Garmin real briefly here? You know why, guys? Because I messed up. I got a decent entry on Garmin, and guess what? I got out too soon. I was a chicken shit. What can I say? I was. I got in at the right spot, 58.50. I got filled really late on that tail. Chopped around and said, you know, this stock's not going anywhere today. So what I do? I got out at even. I made 3 cents on this thing. I made 3 pennies. What did it do? What did it do? It went $1.50 higher. $1.50. Guys, I made $18. This thing could have easily been a $1,000 winner. All right? Cree. Very small loser on Cree. We'll bring that up again. I'm not going to go over the trade too much. But again, you lose $70. That's fine. Guys, I don't win on every trade. I don't win on every trade. But when I win a heck of a lot more than I lose. You see the difference on the winner side? You see the Baidu on the winner side? So, 4 trades today, 3 winners and a loser. But the truth is, I'm pleased with the day, but I messed up Garmin. I got out too soon. I broke my plan. Breaking your plan is unacceptable. You know what the difference between you and me is? Why I do so well and why a lot of you are struggling. Everybody breaks their plan from time to time. The difference is I rarely break my plan. You guys are breaking your plan every day. A little bit each day, a little bit each day, a little bit each day. Guess what? It means a lot at the end of the month, at the end of the year. I break my plan very seldomly, infrequently. You have to stop breaking your plan. Guys, your trading plan is there to help you. It's there to make money. It's your road map to success. I want to ask you one last question. I want you to think about this. You can trade from anywhere in the world with an internet connection and a laptop or a phone these days. Freedom, flexibility, money, time spent with your family, traveling. Or would you rather sit in your office cubicle 9 to 5 and have your boss tell you when you show up, when you leave, and what you do in between those 8 to 10 hours a day you're there? Oh, and you do all that for the measly sum of what, 50 grand a year? Ooh, maybe 75 grand a year? And the people making 100, they think they're big ballers. That's a joke. Guys, this business is incredible. Now, I'm not going to tell you it's easy because it's not. It's going to take you some time to learn this business. But once you get it, it's the greatest business on the planet. I want you to imagine yourself calling the shots, having lunch with your wife or your kids in the middle of the day, taking off a month because you can, traveling when you want, not when somebody tells you you have to. That's what life's about, guys. The older you get, you're going to find out life is more about time and freedom than anything. But it takes money to have that time and freedom. I hope you enjoyed the trade review on Baidu and EL. This is Jared Wesley at Live Traders, guys. Remember, if you want to be a real trader, you want to be a profitable trader, you be a live trader. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you next time.
It's 5:48 in the morning. When do you start your day? It's called work hard, play hard. I'm off to meetings. The jet will be ready, wheels up at 6:45. All you guys starting work at 9 o'clock? There's no way to get wealthy.
There she is, guys. Load some luggage on here and get ready to take off. Early morning, long day, work hard, play hard, live trader style. Hope you guys are having a good one. Taxiing to the runway, getting ready for takeoff here. That's taking off, guys. Just laid the throttle back. We'll be in the air in about 15 seconds. There she goes. These things get up a lot quicker than your commercial airliner. There's all the executive jets over there. It's nice to own them instead of having to rent them, you know what I mean? And that's front wheel up. That's rear wheel up. And you see how fast you accelerate one of these bad boys. That's a live trader's takeoff right there. That's a work hard, play hard takeoff right there. You want to learn how to trade? You want to be with real traders, the people that really know what they're doing, not the fake people on the internet. You go with live traders. Beautiful. Sun rising. Heading off. Be the fun manager. Life couldn't be much better than this, guys. Coming in for landing here. Be on the ground in about 8 seconds. Almost there. There's the tarmac. That's my trader style. Work hard, play hard. Here I am, guys. Sitting on top of the plane. You can see the wing, the sun, two badass jet engines back there. Pretty freaking awesome way to travel. Happens when you work hard, you play hard. Live trader style, guys. There's the back. And like I said, up here doing a little bit of business. And I'll be back in a couple days. But it's beautiful right now this time of year. The fall foliage and just having a good time. Like I said, man, you appreciate things in life. You be humble. And good things will happen. Never let those dreams go. They seem far away at times, but you can accomplish them. Then